Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which in some markets it's known as Fiat Freemont. Those two vehicles, two different names, the same car guys. So depending on where it was sold. If you have an all-wheel drive and you're trying to find the fuse for your transfer case guys, that's what we'll be doing today. In the meantime, we have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our mission here is to save you as much money guys, as much money as we can here at the shop. So please give a thumb up and subscribe for more videos. Now, transfer case fuse guys. You have one fuse box under the hood, okay, on the driver's side, one behind the glove box. So we need to go ahead and locate the one under the hood. This is the cover, okay, right here. You can see those two things. You need to squish them, pull up. After that, you can see this is the layout for the fuses. Okay, we need to find the fuse for the transfer case, which is fuse number 157. Okay, right there, TCM 157 guys. This is supposed to be a 10M fuse. So this is the fuse for the transfer case. We're going to go ahead, pull it out now. Okay, and I'll go ahead and grab the new one quick. Okay, and I forgot to show you guys, okay, new ones, if you face them like that in the light, you can see if the element is burnt or not on the inside, so you know if it's good or not. All we have to do from that point on, okay, push it in. All the tools and parts guys that we use will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. Those are really hard to find fuses, so please check out the link. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you need help with anything, drop a comment, and see you guys next time.